guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply long-term visitor visa, in other terms e-visa for Bahamas for 1 year online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply visa for a country, the very first thing you need to search is, first of all, do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality and purpose, you may even not need a visa. So, in front of you, I have opened the official government of Bahamas e-visa site. Now they have given the information who needs a visa to enter the Bahamas. So, first of all, find out if your country is there, like India is there. But there's a condition. If you have a valid Schengen, UK, Canada, or United States of America visa, you don't need Bahamas visa. Okay. And they have like other information also. All right. Now we have like self-sponsored visa where you pay your own. And if you're from these countries like Canada, you don't need a visa to enter Bahamas. Perfect. Now coming to this table, the cost. So for multiple entry period, long term that we are gonna see 1 year, it's gonna be $110. Okay. And there'll be an interview also if required. Applicants will be interviewed at their selected visa office in the preferred appointment details section of the online portal. Bring the complete application form, visa confirmation page, and original documents with you. Okay. All right. Standard processing time is 7 to 10 business days, not including the submission. Okay, fine. And interview may not be required. Okay, that's possible. All right. Now, so here is a checklist that should proceed. So let's say you are an Indian citizen. So you need to select India here. You should have a valid email address, valid passport. You are going for self-sponsored. You're going for multiple entry, valid photograph, supporting document scanned, and you have online payment mode. Okay. So you can go there. And if you want to search like what are the supporting documents you need, details, so that you can always check. Okay, now here on this portal, you can upload your photo and check if that meets the requirement. If you have already submitted an application, you can track application, you can new photo, you can submit documents if the visa office asks you to provide, because they can always advise you to provide additional document, right? So here, apply for a visa. So it's asking me, do you need the visa based on your nationality? So we know yes. So I'm gonna select yes. So your visitor or seaman, I select visitor. It's gonna be self-sponsored yes. Well, for 6 months from the internet date of yeah, I select yes. So these are the conditions. Click on apply. Perfect. So I'm gonna enter sample information, but in your case, you do as per your situation. Okay. Do not do what I am doing here. And make sure everything is as per the passport. Otherwise, some people struggle later on. Oh, I made a mistake. Don't You don't want to be like that, right? Passport number. Okay. Now here we have like 7 tabs. So important tabs are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All tabs are important. And number 6, you're gonna submit the payment. So application information. Can I go to the next section? No, I cannot. Okay, then I have to go. Purpose of visit. Let's say we select vacation. Okay. Date of arrival. So we saw the processing time, right? So accordingly, you enter. Let's say you're coming on 15th August, right? How long? Let's say up to 1 year we are applying, right? So you should have a good reason as well. Money available in dollars. Traveling with spouse. I select no. Sample, guys. No. Preferred visa office to attend appointment. Wow. I'm just selecting. Introduce as per your case. Personal information. I'm just filling mandatory fields, but but you should fill all the fields that apply. Passport, issue date. Okay, then it's asking for a contact information. Address, permanent address. I'm just putting sample, guys, okay? This is not real. Home telephone number 909. Sample, guys. Oh, I'm putting it. It's not my email. Then email. Let's see if I can copy and paste. Yeah, I could. Employ, employment type. I selected that. But provide proper information. Okay. Marital status. Uh, emergency contact. I'm putting sample, guys. Again, I'm saying travel information. Name of hotel. Wow. Host person. Sonic. Mode of arrival. How we are coming. Aircraft. Address. Wow. Island. Wow. Dodo. Wow. Additional information. Criminal conviction. I select no. Has committed terrorism. I select no. Previous. Have you visited? You need to enter based on your case, not what I am seeing. Not what I am feeling. So make sure you do that. Have you ever been deported, remanded, or required to leave? I select no. Next. Now, say third tab, photo, next, upload document, then review, submit payment confirmation. So, of course, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to pay for this sample application. But you got the idea. So, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.